In the world of investment and finance, the allure of precious metals like gold and silver has remained steadfast through centuries. Often viewed as a safe haven during economic uncertainty, these shiny commodities have garnered a dedicated following among investors seeking to preserve wealth. However, while stacking gold and silver may seem like a prudent strategy, a closer examination reveals that it fundamentally contradicts the principles of capitalism. At its core, capitalism champions the principles of free markets, competition, and the pursuit of profit. Yet, when individuals hoard gold and silver, they disrupt the natural flow of market dynamics and undermine the very essence of capitalism. Here are some compelling arguments against the practice of stacking gold and silver within a capitalist framework. Hoarding scarcity. Capitalism thrives on the principle of supply and demand. However, by hoarding significant amounts of gold and silver, individuals artificially restrict the supply of these precious metals, driving up prices and creating scarcity. This artificial scarcity distorts market equilibrium and undermines the efficiency of capitalist markets. Lack of productive investment. In a capitalist economy, investment is essential for driving innovation, economic growth, and job creation. When resources are diverted into hoarding gold and silver, they are effectively withdrawn from productive investments that could benefit society as a whole. This diversion of resources hampers economic development and detracts from the principles of capitalism. Wealth concentration. Capitalism thrives on the idea of meritocracy and equal opportunity. However, when individuals amass significant wealth through hoarding precious metals, they contribute to wealth concentration and income inequality. This concentration of wealth undermines the principles of fairness and equal opportunity that are essential for a thriving capitalist society. Lack of utility. Unlike productive assets such as stocks or real estate, gold and silver lack inherent utility beyond their aesthetic appeal and limited industrial applications. Therefore, hoarding these metals does not contribute to the creation of value or the advancement of society, which are fundamental tenets of capitalism. Risk aversion. Capitalism is characterized by risk-taking and entrepreneurship. However, hoarding gold and silver reflects a conservative approach to wealth management, prioritizing preservation over growth and innovation. This risk-averse behavior stifles entrepreneurial spirit and hampers economic dynamism. Conclusion. The practice of stacking gold and silver stands in stark contrast to the principles of capitalism. However, it's essential to note that the preceding arguments are presented with a touch of irony. In reality, capitalism has often been associated with the accumulation of wealth by any means necessary, including hoarding precious metals and engaging in ruthless competition. So perhaps, in the anarchic realm of capitalism, stacking gold and silver and even resorting to extreme measures like killing your own family and friends to take their gold and silver might not be as far-fetched as one might think. Ultimately, while the principles of capitalism emphasize free markets and competition, the reality is often far more complex and, at times, morally ambiguous. So, as we ponder the contradictions inherent in stacking gold and silver, let's not forget that in the pursuit of wealth, capitalism has often blurred the lines between rational economic behavior and sheer greed. Bonus joke. Why did the capitalist panic when he realized his friend had more gold than him? Because he realized he was just silver lining his own pockets. Thank you for watching this very important video. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe to the channel to help us grow.